A key consideration before you fit a suspension system to a four-wheel drive is how much weight is the vehicle going to be carrying. On this vehicle we're going to have dual batteries, winches, steel bull bar, brush bars, a whole bunch of weight inside the vehicle. So we've gone for a heavy duty suspension and we're going to start fitting that up now. We'll start by pulling the old coil springs out and putting the new coils in. We're fitting the BP51 remote res shocks to this girl. So the rear leaves on Rusty have definitely seen their last days, so it's time for them to come out. So the first thing we're going to do, get these shackles off, and then we're going to replace the U-bolts. So because we're not using these U-bolts again, we're just going to cut them with a grinder and get the job done. Before you put the new bushes in, clean all the rust and muck out of the spring hangers. Once the old leaf springs are in the bin, we will slide the new springs in underneath and fit the front bush first. Now that we've got the leaf springs in and we're all ready to go out and test the vehicle, the last thing you need to do is, with the load on the vehicle, is tighten up all of your shackle bolts so that all of the bushes are located correctly for the position they're going to be in when you're operating the vehicle. The other thing to keep in mind with leaf spring in particular is tighten up your U-bolts, check them regularly because they're prone to coming loose. I'm Mad Matt, stay safe on the trails.